In the name of God, when I want to open the Windows security on my computer, I see an error, Windows security error 0x87e10bc6, and I have problem and I cannot open the Windows security error. In this video I want to say you how to resolve this problem. For resolve this problem, at the first on the search window we must write Windows security and then click on app setting. When this window is opened, we must find a button for repair. If you click this button, the system component that isn't right working, the computer can try to repair it. After that, if your Windows security window is open, that is okay. And if the Windows security window not open, you must select on reset button. After that, you see a window that give you a message about that the system components data will be deleted, and you select the OK button. After that, your computer is restarted. Then you must try again the Windows security window, and it's open, everything is okay. But this window not open, you must change another trick. Another trick is check for Windows update, and on the search button you write Windows update setting. In this window, if your Windows isn't updated, you must update it and check. Click the button check for update. I do this, and after you click the check for updates button, you see an install button, and click it, and after restart you see that your computer is up to date. After restart my computer, I click the Windows security, and I see that the problem is resolved, and I can see the Windows security, and I scan my computer by clicking on virus and threat protection. Thank you.